making this video to get some ideas on some truck camping. As you can tell, I've already started to get set it up. Got the brackets for the tow bar. Just never know. The container for fishing rods up top on the camper shell. Ooh, I like the door. Anyway, come to the back. Got my hitch. Inches 7/8 and 2 inch for the boat and stuff. The back I've not done nothing to yet. Still deciding whether I want to put a shelf system in here or not. So right now I just throw a mattress down and sleep. Alright. Get to the inside. Yeah, you're gonna hear the beeper. Just regular 2-wheel drive F-150. Dirty. My tools. The piece for my tow bar. Cook set. Some more tools. And on the gun rack, got a couple more fishing poles. If you have any ideas to help me set this up, besides needing a 4-wheel drive, which I don't think I'm going to do too much off-roading, just pretty much be hitting campgrounds and stuff, but leave a comment